Hello, this is Anssi. It's Friday, November the 21st, and I'll go through my trades for today. I I really had some issues with confidence today. I took 5 trades, scratched 4 of them at break even, and 3 of those scratch trades would have worked in the end. I don't know why I scratched 3 shorts that were inside this obvious trend channel down, and yeah, it's been trending down since the open, which was here. So no reasons not to go short. Uh, anyway, I'll go through what I saw and what I did. There was this strong move up in the overnight, which basically ended right at the open. It was here. I was still thinking long at this point here where I took my first trade. It's a second entry long from here that triggered right here. I guess I was still looking for a retest of this high at least, even though there had been a break of this trend line, this steep trend line here, and 2 legs up to a new high. But yeah, luckily I realized to get out right before it moved lower here. It got kind of hung up at this area, and this was my only winning trade. There had been a break of this short-term trend line here. Price came back to retest this midline level that had been acting as support, and I was expecting a retest of this level at least, or a new low, and it was a quick scalp. Then here would have been another short trade. It's a second entry short, made a double top here, came back to test this midline and this trend line. Although I think I had a steeper trend line at that point, still I adjusted this one a bit later. Then my second short trade was here. I like this because it broke higher here first and then back lower on this bar. There's kind of a 2-legged pullback here, and well, there's a lot of overlap too, but still I like this one, but I got scared when it made this pullback. Well, yeah, would have worked. Should have held on here. And I think this is another trade or a good entry point. It's a breakout pullback short right at this level, this midline. Although it was too close to this trend line here, and at that point I wasn't sure if this was going to be a 2-tier channel. Now it looks like it's something along that line. It came all the way down here to test this area, this line, and then my second scratched short was here. This bar looked like a trap, maybe. It couldn't go above this midline here and above the EMA, and this was only a first entry short from this low, and you would have had to ride out these couple of small pullbacks here. When it finally broke lower here, it was like failed second entry long, but I was out already at that point. Again, should have held on. And then my last trade here. Well, in my defense, there's like 7 bars with matching lows, so it really looked like it wouldn't go below this level. But then again, it really couldn't go back higher either. It did come back to test these lows, this previous support level, and then turn back lower, and at that point when it came back to this, to my entry price, I got out again, and at the same bar it broke lower. Would have reached my scalp and then some. So yeah, 4 break-evens and 1 winner for 4 ticks. I think if I was trading live, I would have, the commissions would have eaten all of my 4 tick profit. But I'm still not live, although today marked the day when I've now doubled my first sim account. Was kind of moderately sized, but I said it, I think, a couple of months back, and now I've doubled it, and yeah, I'm kind of happy for that, of course, and I think I'll try to do it again, so double my sim account another time, and if all goes well, I should be going live maybe early next year, or that's what I hope. But that's it for me for today, for this week. I didn't trade yesterday, I had some work stuff to take care of, and I hope I'll be able to trade more next week and keep on improving. Right, I'll be back on Monday. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.